Today I'm going to show you how to clean the dreaded throttle body. It always gets filled up with carbon deposits and then they start sticking. The best cleaner I found for this job is that EGR cleaner, boys. It's good for the carbon, and all you really need is a good old-fashioned toothbrush. Give it a kind of shake. Hopefully. Problem is, I'm one-handed. Just prop it against me, I guess. Give it a good old brushing. Slowly, but surely it'll come off. Hopefully this will work. Probably not. Alright, try again. See all the crap coming off. And hopefully it'll free up. Still some crap down there. I don't think it will come perfectly sparkly again because it burns so. But as you can tell from before and after, oh dear. It used to stick open, well, stick shut, should I say. But now, all the crap gone. Slip it in there. Sounds better, way better. Before it was gritty when you did that. So look at that. Nah, I don't think it's gonna come. Let's put it in there. Donkeys. Nice and clean. Just check if there's no grittiness. you should be fine. I mean, you could spend ages cleaning it, making it perfect, but you don't physically have to. As long as you get the thick off it, and the grit, what's down in there. And make sure it's not slack as well, too slack. Job done. All you need, toothbrush, and get yourself some of that. There you go, lovely and clean. Moves lovely. Best tool on the planet.